Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how to change Instagram's algorithm for a user. You can directly change Instagram's algorithm, but you can influence how it interacts with your account. Instagram's algorithm customizes what you see and how your content is shown to others based on your activity. So you can train the algorithm to better suit your needs. Here's how. For your feed and explore page, first open the Instagram app, then go to the search icon on the bottom of your screen. Here I'm getting a lot of celebrity paparazzi's posts on my feed, but for example I like cars. So what I'll do is go ahead and search cars, tap on a random account and keep on liking the car posts. Another best way is to avoid interacting with unwanted content. If a post appears that you don't like, tap on the three dots and select not interested. Then avoid engaging with irrelevant posts as even negative interactions. So basically what you search, save and like, Instagram will keep on showing you feeds related to that topic. So now you guys know how to change Instagram's algorithm and how you can adjust it based on your activity and preferences. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe and comment down below if there is anything else I can help you guys with. And I'll see you guys in the next video.